In this video, we're going to be learning about prime numbers. A prime number is one where it only has two factors. The smallest prime number is 2. Its factors are 1 and 2. That's what makes it prime. These are the only two numbers that will divide into 2 without any remainder. The next prime number is 3. Then it's 5, 7, 11, and 13. 13 is the sixth prime number. So let's consider why 12 is not a prime number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are all the factors of 12. In other words, any one of these numbers will go into 12 without any remainder. So because it has 6 factors and not 2, that means that it's not a prime number. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So continuing from my previous list of prime numbers, the 7th prime number is 17, 19, and 23. 23 is my 9th prime number.